Hello, this is Mike Korin with Classic Realty, and this week I'm bringing to you Daniel's Run Way, right near downtown Fairfax City. This is a stunning 5-bedroom, 5-bath, about 5,000 square foot single family home with a 2-car garage. On the main level, there's a den used as an office. It does have legal egress, meaning a window and a closet. So it actually could be used as a 6-bedroom with a master bath on the main level. It's in the Farcroft subdivision. Absolutely stunning subdivision, and it's in a stunning location as well. So in this premier lot, it backs up to woods, and then right next door we have the tot lot, which I've actually never seen anyone there, so it could be used as an extension to your yard. And then right across the street we have the swimming pool and the rec center area. Again, this is absolutely a premier lot for the community. Everything in this home has been done. Very new is the roof, the driveway, the front sidewalk, the landscaping, the night lighting, the heat, the AC, the appliances, everything is new. Let's go on inside and take a quick peek together. How beautiful is that? Those are some high ceilings. Imagine your winters cozied up by that fireplace with a book, just enjoying this home. Now, one of the other things that I love about this house is the aspect. It's 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and this home is flooded with sunlight. Since 2002, I've been in the industry, and the number one thing consistently I have buyers telling me they're looking for is a sun-filled home. You can always do updates. You can't make a home sunnier. Well, not cheaply or easily. The home is updated, it's done, it's renovated, and it's sun-filled, which is what you're gonna want unless you're in your home theater. Let's check that out next. So now we're in the theater room. It's still 2:30 in the afternoon, and what you're gonna notice is on this side of the house, it's a little bit darker, which is perfect for the theater room. It's still a bright sunny day, and it's a bright sunny house. It's just this one aspect. So the layout of the house is perfect. The screen is going to convey, the projector is going to convey, as well as the electronics. In the room next to me, there's also more electronics for the wired-in home surround sound that is also going to convey to the buyer. Now these sellers, they're moving, so any of the furniture that you see here, the area rugs, the artwork, they're willing to sell just about everything, so come make us an offer. And if you're just a curious neighbor, we welcome you. Please come this Sunday between 1 to 4 p.m. We believe in community, we'd love to have you. And if you're thinking about buying and selling, if you have any questions, feel free to pull me aside or send me a direct message. We'll get that question answered. I'm Mike Korin. I look forward to seeing you this Sunday.